Hey everyone, in this video let's talk about how to turn on the data saver in Zoom. In order to do so, here we are in Zoom, and what we're looking for according to my searches should be found under More, and then under Meetings. This is where you should find the data saver toggle. However, if you look through what I have available here, there is no data saver option. So this either means that this is a function that has been taken off or it has been changed. And what we can see here, if you are looking to save data, something you can do is you can make sure that you turn off your video. You may even want to toggle off some of the other video options here. Another thing that I found is if you just go back and you go into general, then you do see that there is the diagnostic data viewer, and that enabling this feature does use up to 20 megabytes of storage. So those are things that you might want to consider if you're looking to save as much data as possible. And as it is right now, perhaps it might be available on a different platform, but as far as Android goes, it doesn't appear that the data saver option is available anymore. The closest thing you can find are some of the video options, and you can toggle those on or off if you want to save some data. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.